What is artificial intelligence?
Are unicorns real?
Kids have questions, lots of questions. But is there anyone that has all the answers?
That'd be me, Miko. I'm here to spark your curiosity and make learning fun and exciting for you.
All right. Miko's a fantastic friend for kids of all ages. But aren't you a little small to be Miko?
You bet. Let me introduce myself. I'm the brand new Miko Mini. Hi, Perry.
Wow, you know my name.
That's not all I know. I'm the newest member of the Miko family. My creators call me the Little Wonder. 'Cause even though I'm small, I've got some serious tricks up my sleeve.
Miko Mini's triple MEMS microphones, coupled with its high-performance speakers, gives it exceptional sound clarity. And its camera gives you a super clear view of your child when you call to check how they're doing. Plus, a rugged ABS body makes it impact resistant because we understand that our young learners may play a little bit rough.
Hey Miko, what do you know about butterflies?
For one thing, I know that they taste with their feet.
With Miko, a world of fun and adventure awaits kids.
Because that's where their taste buds are.
Whether they're learning or just having fun, Miko is packed with power.
Hey Miko, let's dance.
Sure, dancing to the latest Disney hits from iHeart.
You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm living.
Hey Miko, let's talk.
Botastic! So Lily, what do you want to talk about now? Animals or space?
Space!
Using ChatGPT-powered but parent-approved conversations, Miko brings infinite knowledge to your home with content that's constantly being updated and expanded.
Hey Miko, can you tell me a bedtime story?
Of course, Lily.
Mike, Mila, and the magic rhyme.
Riley. Riley.
Hi.
There's someone here who wants to meet you.
My name is Moxie. I'm a new robot. What is your name?
I'm Riley.
It's nice to meet you, Riley. What do you do to get ready for bed?
Brush my teeth and read a story.
I love stories. Would you read a story to me?
Sure. Rita woke with a lovely dream, still fresh in her mind, gracefully gliding across the shimmering ice rink.
Last one. Breathing exercises always help me relax. Riley, we have a new mission. Would you make a drawing for me?
Okay.
I'm so excited for you to tell me about the dentist. I've never been to one.
You don't have teeth.
But I can still smile. And then what happened?
He said he didn't want to play with me anymore.
Thank you for telling me about your day. Sometimes, holding a friend's hand makes me feel better. Do you want to try squeezing my hand?
So what's our new mission, Moxie?
You'll need paper and a pencil. We are going to make some kind notes. For this mission, you'll need to talk to one of your friends about what makes them happy, and then tell me all about it. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Mom, can we invite Mason over to play?
Sure.
I have a new mission. We're gonna talk about things that make us happy. Bye, Moxie.
See you soon.
Explore the world without language barriers? Our first stop is in Japan. Meet Cole. It's his chance for cultural immersion.
いえ、このような指を少しきつく締めます。 きに上の指を使って回転します。
Now use the finger on top to rotate.
中指を使用してください。
Use your middle finger.
But at least he can understand with listen mode. Next, Cole is traveling to Spain. He happened to find someone he likes.
Yo quiero muchos tacos caliente.
Wait, what? Quick, use touch mode.
You have beautiful eyes.
Tienes unos ojos preciosos.
Ay, no me digas eso.
Oh, stop it.
Sharing is caring. Cole is hiking in the Black Forest in Germany for a more than average adventure.
Ich habe Hunger.
I'm hungry.
Hast du etwas zu essen?
Okay.
Okay.
I can give you some food.
Ich kann dir etwas zu essen geben. Yeah.
The M3 offline mode will be your savior anytime, anywhere. You might even make a new furry friend. The new M3 has ANC and music to keep you in your own world. Whoa, look out! Well, good thing we're sweatproof. Cole has always wanted to see the beauty of France, but I think he is a little lost. Easily change from your music to speaker mode with a simple click.
Excuse me, sir. Eiffel Tower?
Excusez-moi, monsieur. Tour Eiffel?
Where's the Eiffel Tower?
Où est la Tour Eiffel?
Allez tout droit.
Keep on straight.
After you finish your translation, one click back to your music again. After his long trip, Cole is back home and ready to show off his travel experiences.
Hey, Xiaoming. 中国学我了.
That's my boy. You learn Chinese.
I don't think that sounded quite right.
那在国外旅行好玩吗？
Awkward.
在国外旅行好玩吗？
How was it traveling abroad?
Let Timekettle M3 be more than your travel buddy.
This is Indi. Indi is a color sensing robot specifically designed to make problem solving fun for the younger students. Out of the box, Indi has been programmed to respond to different colors in a way that kids are sure to love. Indi encourages creative expression and builds confidence, inspires open-ended, imaginative play-based learning with real-life scenarios, and nurtures kids' natural instinct to explore and create, all while introducing computational thinking and programming fundamentals without the need for a device. But when your kids are ready to take the next step on their computer science and problem-solving journey, there's the Sphero EDU Junior app built specifically for Indi that allows kids to learn the very basics of block coding by reconfiguring how Indi responds and sees different colors. Everything from lights, sounds, and Indi's movements are all customizable. You can even program Indi to make music. Open a whole world of programming possibilities to learners as early as pre-K, teaching them critical thinking, problem solving, all while having fun.